Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a Nissan Altima 2015. So I'm going to show you how to change your AC compressor. So you're going to need to make space because it's all the way down there. So you need to make space to get down there, alright? So you want to take out these clips. You pull this top part up first, then you take out the whole thing and take all of these clips out. Take up this right here. You can just rest it there and rest it right there, and come right here, remove these two screws right here and unplug this right here, put that over there. Then you have a lot of space to go down here and work on the AC compressor. So the next move is to give me a like and a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and after you do that, you want to take out the Freon from the car. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So yeah, I don't have an AC machine to take out the Freon, so this is the next best thing right here. Put it in the water so you don't have the Freon all over the place. Because if I take it out, then you're gonna have Freon. So you want to put it in here, alright? So you don't have to inhale none of that stuff. Alright, so whenever the bubbles stop, or that's going for that small, you're good. So you can go ahead and do most of what you can do from here, which is unplug the AC compressor from this right here. You squeeze right here and unplug that, and also take out the AC line and take out these two top bolts right here. Alright, so you can do all of that from up here, so do it while you have the space. Alright. So yeah, take out one right here and the other one right there. I'm going to take it out. And they are 10 millimeter, in case I didn't say or you didn't hear. Just want to shake it a little bit. To get this off, you just gotta shake it and twist it a little bit, and it will come out like that. Alright, and get it out the way also, or you can put it down and out the way here. So you're gonna get access to these two bolts right here. You're gonna need to take them out, and they're gonna be 12 millimeter. Alright, so once again, they are 12 millimeter, and they're this tall. Alright, try to keep them in order so you don't mix them up. So what we do so far is remove the AC line from the compressor, remove the electrical plug from the compressor, and remove these two top bolts that go right here. Alright, so now I'm going to raise the car up, see if I can get the other two 12 millimeter underneath. and loosen the belt also too. Alright, so let's look it up. So this one right here is missing a lot of clips, so you would have to take out this clip from here, take out this clip, and this clip, and this clip. But I'm not going to take out those two at the top. I'm just going to swing this open like this. Alright, then you want to get your torque and put it right there in that pulley right there, and it's going to be a T45 torque, and you put it in that pulley right here and loosen the tension. Alright, and when I say loosen the tension, I don't mean to take off the pulley, I mean to just release the tension from the belt. As you can see, the belt is slack now. See, get tight, see, get slack. You're gonna remove it off the pulley. Alright, so yeah, I removed the belt. As you can see, the belt is not on the pulley anymore, so it's time to remove these two 12mm. So you're gonna need a wrench. Alright, and it's not gonna be easy to pull it open to take them loose. So get an extension, and it will come loose like that. Alright, so as you can see, take out it, the compressor is loose, but there's no way to take it out. So get it out. There's this power steering line right here. I'm gonna take that out and see if I can get it out through there. So I'm gonna need to take out these Phillips screw, one right here, one right here, one right here, and take out this clip right here. Alright, so it's down. Just the line I'm talking about. I'm going to try and take it about those clips and see if I can get it to come down over here. So it's 3 clips in total. You have one right here, one right there, and one around there in the back. Take it out, bring it down to the side, and see if that's enough room to. So what I do, I just pull down on it right here. See if that's maybe enough room to take out the compressor. It look like it, so I'm gonna try and take it out from there. Alright, so I had to take this one out. I go here. It might break, so you might need to order this when you're gonna order the compressor. Alright, clip that whole the line for the power steering. Alright, and with that line, with that clip removed, it come out like this. So yeah, I got a used one from the junkyard right here. Check it, make sure everything is good. I'm not gonna add any oil to this because it's coming from a car that had oil in it, and I took this one out from a car that had oil in it, so I'm not gonna add any more oil to it. So I'm gonna put it up same way I take it out. Alright, so I got it in. just gotta tighten that up. So I got everything. I got my screws, my compressor, I got my fender liner back, everything back together. So you need to do that, and after you do that, you want to lower the car and catch the two bolts on the top and tighten them up. Alright, so I'm gonna lower the car now. So yeah, I have my screws back in here at the top, so I gotta tighten them up, and after I tighten them up, I'm gonna go ahead and catch that, put back those two AC line in the AC compressor and also plug it up. Alright, so yeah, guys, so that right there, you want to catch the small one. That's the big one right here. That's the small one. You want to catch the small one first, give you more room to work down there. So I have that, and I have that plugged in. Alright, so that's what I have so far. Alright, so now I have the big one in, and I tighten up, and everything is all looking good so far. I can start the vacuum line pump on it, and I can go ahead and set this back. Set that back. Feel me? So what I'm gonna do is start the vacuum pump and let it vacuum, and then I'll finish put the car back together while it's vacuum, while it's getting vacuum. So I'm gonna put the other AC line, the high side, because I already have the low side hooked up. So I'm gonna hook the high side up right now. And if you're looking for the high side, this is where Nissan hide it. Alright, so yeah, I have the AC on. Not the AC, the vacuum pump running right here. And that's it. Just gotta let it vacuum, make sure it's not leaking, get out all the air from out the system and moist, and that's it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. So that's it, guys. Just put back all your clips and you're good to go. That's it. Now I gotta wait on the vacuum to complete, then I go from there. So you want to make sure you have your AC can or whatever you're using to put Freon in the system. You want to have it upside down, alright? And you want to add Freon over here. Make sure your AC is on. You turn it on, put it on max, and you add Freon to it, alright? So yeah, guys, after I do all that, come inside, check it, and you can see it's going down. You can see that it's really cold, alright? So guys, thank you for your love and support. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.